Alright, so in this video we are going to learn how to replace the internal battery in this Wagon Tech powerdome EX. This is basically a power station, but also a battery booster for a car, all in one. So this powerdome EX acts as a battery booster and a device that powers household appliances. Very cool. Unfortunately though, because this came from China, the battery that was in it probably was older than anything. The date of manufacture on this unit was from 2013 and it was purchased about 3 years ago. So what does that tell you? Anyway, it is a great unit when it worked, but the internal battery no longer works. So we're going to swap it out with this aftermarket battery. And this one actually lasts longer than the original one. I paid $100 for it at Brantford Surplus, and it's actually a piece of cake. You'll need to remove 7 screws. I have them in the bag here. I've already taken the internal battery out. You need a very long Phillips screwdriver to be able to get into those holes, and preferably one that has a magnetic end on it. So there's 7 screws. There's one there, there, 2 down there, and 2 down there. It's kind of an awkward number. You think it would be 8, but it's 7. I have it taped together right now, so we're just going to peel off this tape. There you go. And that will always happen. The light will fall in, but that's not a big deal. All you have to do is just separate it like this, and then take this panel, flip it like that, and just lower it. So that way it's like that. The battery itself just sits right here. The original battery would have had a double-sided adhesive thing to stick it in place, but I don't have that. So I'm gonna have to get some duct tape or something, because you definitely need to make sure that this is stuck in place. Okay, so this is not the most professional way to do this. You actually definitely need those double-sided mounting squares. But all I had was duct tape, so it kind of sucks how they've designed this power pack. They didn't make it where there's like some kind of like a brace that goes over top to prevent the battery from banging around. It's kind of all sandwiched together, and yeah. Alright, so I got the battery put in. I just have it supported with some Gorilla Tape. The socket that you'll be needing is an 8mm for the nuts on the connectors. I'm going to be hooking it up positive and negative first. Okay. Positive. Put our little washer on first. Put the nut on. Let me just tighten it. What happened? Yeah, like that, see? Trying to attach this battery connector. Did you get that spark on video?
Yep.
Almost saw me shit my pants there. That one. Can verify that this unit works. Whoa! It's also very top heavy, so it turns on. The battery voltmeter, as you can see, is working. The work lamp the work lamp is working. And let's see if the compressor works on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and then it's just a matter of putting it back together in the reverse order. The lamp is kind of a pain because it doesn't really have anything holding it in place. It just kind of floats there. So you just kind of have to sandwich it all together. Like that. And then what will really help is if you have tape. We've got some duct tape here. Okay. And then you start putting the screws in, and then that's how you do it.